Hello, and thank you for joining me for another video of home bodyweight workouts. In this one, I'm going to do some abs and also aerobics at the same time, because you can actually couple them together as you're working out. So, as I'm doing aerobics, I can work my abs. It's sort of a suite. It's a fat burning and ab oblique workout suite. So let's start out, just doing aerobics, lifting my legs up as high as I can to also work out the abs as I'm doing them. It's a leg lift at the same time. So just, lift your arms up. I've seen people doing similar things maybe in the park with music or something like that. It really is good for your abs and also just for general aerobic workouts. Okay. Then switch to maybe something like this, where you're really targeting the obliques. I'm just sort of throwing my foot, to the opposite side and this direction. So I'm throwing, for example, my leg this way, but also I'm trying to bring it, toward my body at the same time to really activate and work out the obliques, okay? And tighten up the oblique area, okay? Oh. So this is, aerobics, good for your heart, but it's also tightening up your abs and your obliques. Okay, and then this one where I lift my knee up. I'm trying to lift my knee up to meet my elbow instead of the other way around. I don't lower my elbow. I lift my knee up to meet my elbow. Okay, and adjust this to your level, okay? Whatever you can do is what you can do, okay? Adjust this to your level, okay? And then you kind of do an apsara. If you've ever seen like the Cambodian apsara dancers, this is also very good for the obliques. Just kind of lift your leg up to the side as you move your arms to the side. Very good for the obliques and the abs overall. Okay. So just like this. Then I'm also going to add some crunches, okay? So I put my feet out quite far. Just kind of bring them straight up. So already, I feel my abs are pretty well worked out. To the side. Also target the obliques. Very good ab exercise. Very, 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 very effective. Okay. Okay. Up. Target the obliques. And I can really feel my my abs now, which is good. I can definitely feel them. They're straining under the pressure. Okay, let's go back up to this. Try to loosen up a little bit. With your arms up, your legs up, knees up as high as you can. Okay, did a nice little ab and aerobic workout. Okay, feet from side to side again. Put your feet up and toward your body, not away from your body. Arms up. Okay, that really targets the obliques and the overall abs. Okay, this one again. Twist your body and make your knee meet your elbow, not the other way around. Your knee meets your elbow. Okay, then let's move into the apsara. Oh, starting to feel it now. Pretty good. Okay, let's go down into some crunches again. All right. So here we are. My feet out, extend my feet out quite far from the chair. Maybe 1 yard, 1 meter. I can't do many of these because my abs are already worked out. So this is very effective for getting tight abs, tight abs and tight obliques. It doesn't take very long, 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day. Okay, I can't do many of those because this part of the workout's really done. So let's go one more time. And as long as you do it effectively for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, this is a really effective ab workout. And it'll just keep burning fat all day. And for days afterward, too. Okay. Side to side. Again, throw your foot over to the other side of your body and bring it toward your body. To really target the obliques. Okay. Then into this one. Bring your knee up to your elbow. Knee up to elbow. Okay. And then Sarah. Okay. Knee from side to side. Just like an Asara dancer. Alright, I'm going to retire there. Alright, so let's try this. Try the crunches one more time. Alright, and I am pretty protracted, pretty tight as far as that goes. So that's a pretty good workout. Just lift and hold is about all I can do. All right, well that's about it for the ab workout. It's a really good way to get some aerobic exercise. Get your heart pumping, get your blood moving, and at the same time get a really good, really effective, an excellent, effective ab workout. So do the chair over here. Okay. And yeah, it's a really, really effective workout, and 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you're done. And gives you a really nice tight chest area, tight ab area, not chest area, ab area. All right, thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. And feel free to ask me any questions about this, or ways you can vary it up yourself. Really appreciate you joining me, and see you next time. Thank you.